Good morning, Alyssa. This is Miss Tracy. So, wonderful news. I now have a new computer, so I can actually respond the way that I like to. It took me a couple of days to get everything set up. I got this on Friday because mine died on Thursday, Friday, right in there between the two. It will not. So, I went and got me a new one, and it works like brand new, which is awesome, and I'm so happy. I'm just so happy, you have no idea. But anyway, that means that now I can make videos again, which is awesome. So here we go. Let's look at the first problem on lesson 68 that you struggled with. So this one says to round to the ones place value, and that's going to be in your scientific notation answer. Not as a whole number by itself, but within the form of the problem. So that's something that's understood in math, that when you start out a particular format, you stick with that format. And this is just telling you what to round to within that format. Okay. All right, so here we have 37. So we want to round that to the ones place within here. So I would say that'd be 4 times 10. And so if this rounds to 4, then that means this place goes away and this becomes the 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces backwards, so minus 4. So this would be negative 17 times, this would be 7.2, right? That 7.2, that would just be 7. So 7 times 10, and then we have moved our decimal forward 1, 2, 3, so that's plus 3. So that'd be 7 places. So 4 times 7, that'd be 28, times 10, and negative 17 and a positive 7 be a negative 10, but we cannot do 2 places in scientific notation. So we would want to go forward 1 place, so plus 1. So that would be 2.8 times 10 to the negative 9. But because it says round to the ones place, that'd be 3 times 10 to the negative 9. That would be your answer. Okay, so we rounded to the ones place here to get these, and then we rounded to the ones place for our answer. All right, I hope that clears up how that works. I know that can be a little bit confusing, but it's within the same value, right? If you have put 2.89, I think, for your answer, but that completely, like the whole answer is this. So the whole answer would be moving your decimal space way over here. You can't have 2.89 unless you have the other part of the problem. Okay, does that make sense? All right, let's move on to the next one. If you need more clarification, just holler.